Alright, y'all, what it do? Your boy is back with another video on the grind one more time. And if you hear that loud drone, then you know I'm in the Caddy. Haven't seen the Caddy in a while, man. That loud drone noise right now you hear is my exhaust. And if it sounds like I'm yelling at you guys, it's because I am. But when I got this car, it had always kind of made this noise. If you guys can hear, it's really, really loud in here. Like it's a deep drone. I'm actually trying to stay off the gas as much as I can right now. Just because if I step on the gas, just driving kind of normal, the drone is super loud. So I'm actually en route right now to drop the car off at my buddy's detail shop. So he has a detail shop where he does full-on detail, but he also does exhaust work there too. So I'm heading his way en route to taking my girl on a little road trip. So we're just staying local here, but I decided just to kind of do a little getaway for her birthday. So we're actually going to drop off my car, then that way he'll have it for a few days to kind of work on, and then we'll swoop it up on the way back. But if you guys saw my photo feed or community post, I posted that Flowmaster muffler, and I asked, you know, what this one could be for, and it's actually for this car here. So I got a Super 50, Flowmaster Super 50. It's along their 50 series line, and it's supposed to be really quiet, so no drone, but it's supposed to give like a little bit of hum when you step on the gas. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want anything crazy for this car. Actually, I kind of wanted something a little bit more mellow, a little bit more quiet, so that way if we wanted to take it on a road trip or something like that, there wouldn't be like a loud drone inside of the cabin. So that's the one that I chose. So we're gonna get that swapped over and everything, and it should be good to go. So long time coming, but just been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and so now we gonna make it happen. So anyways, that's where we are. We're en route. I'll try to get some footage when I get there, but it really won't be much. It literally just be me handing him the keys and going, because we're kind of like on a time crunch. So this is my guy Ryan's shop up here. Just rolled in. So he has all kinds of cars out here, y'all. All kinds. But he's walking up now. What it do, y'all? Your boy is back. And the whip is done. I'm about to actually start it right now. I haven't heard it, man. I forgot my GoPro, so I'm filming on my phone. So hopefully it's doing the job. I haven't filmed a video on my phone in a minute, but I'm actually about to start it up right now, see what it sounds like. Let's see. Cold start. Oh man, so much quieter. Ah! So much quieter, y'all. If I ever seen exhaust come out of there. Yeah, y'all, sounds real good, man. So much better. Look at my girl, and they're waiting for me. It was just her birthday. We went to San Francisco. I surprised her on a trip to San Francisco, y'all. But oh man, so much better in here, y'all. There was such There was such a loud drone on it before, and man, it's so much better. I can actually think in here. I can think. Let me go ahead and hit this road here real quick. But man, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. But yeah, my boy Ryan, man. Let's see if I can get him there. Ryan, he does a detailing. So you can see in the garage there, y'all can see. He does a lot of cars around here in this area. Well known in this area for his detailing work. So, but he also does some car stuff on the side. If you need exhaust work, he does a little bit of stuff with restorations. He actually has like an old school Typhoon. He doesn't really drive that too much. I think there's some stuff going on with it right now, so he hasn't been on the road for a while. But he owns his own business, and so you know how that goes, man, when you have projects and things like that and you kind of put them on the back burner. But I know he has a Typhoon. He has a couple other rides. I think he has a truck and all that. He's done a fair amount of work on my Caprice as far as exhaust work and all that. So super cool dude. And just to give you an example, I mean, he's one of my boys, man, so he owns this shop. So I always try to come to him if I can, even if I have to drive a little ways. So I'm gonna give you this example. So I live pretty much in Seattle. It's like right outside of Seattle. And I took it to an exhaust shop out there. Oh man, so much better. I'm so happy. But I took this Caddy to an exhaust shop out there, and you know, dude don't know me, so he doesn't know my history with cars or whatever. And I don't know anything about the exhaust shop, but I seen that they had a Chevelle and stuff in there and some other stuff. Dude was trying to say $1,000 to put on a new muffler, but he was like, well, I'm probably gonna have to change the whole pipe and everything and whatnot. And I'm like, nah, you don't have to. And you know, like I said, I'm not an exhaust guy, but I know enough where you shouldn't have to do that. And he was like, so it's probably gonna be about $1,000, whatnot. So I was like, okay. And then I was out and I never went there again. So anyways, I just been putting it on the back burner for a while, and I knew I could take it down here, and my boy did it for $75. So yeah, we did that. Got that done. Yeah, you know, I had to come back to my guy, man. Took care of me. And you know, the muffler was like $80-$90 shipped or something, like maybe just over 100, and then 75 for that. So 175, just under $200 for everything. I can deal with. I'm in like the back of the woods here. You guys can see there's nothing but woods. I actually had to go buy something off Facebook Marketplace. I went and bought some weights, some Rogue rubber 35-pound plate weights that I need for my online biz and my at-home biz, training fitness biz that I'm doing at home. So I went and swooped those up, man. Those are really nice, and they got them for a really good deal, so I had to swoop them up. But anyways, I had to get off the phone real quick, man, because I was just doing too much and I didn't want to drive and talk and all that. But now I'm on some back roads here, and I wanted to have you guys kind of hear what they sound like. And right now, pretty much kind of feathering the gas a little bit. And you can't really hear much, man, and that's what I wanted. I wanted like little to no interior drone. There is no interior drone, but I just wanted to actually hear what it sounded like inside, and it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted just a little bit of sound inside, not much, but I wanted zero drone. And supposedly there was no drone, and they were correct. Zero drone. However, if you step on the gas some, you're supposedly be able to hear the exhaust and a little bit of you know, like a little bit of growl once you step on the gas. So let's see. So I don't know if you guys heard that. Now I have the windows all the way up too. I think I'm totally satisfied with that, man. Completely satisfied customer. And man, I like them. I like them. So if you're looking for something similar where there's like no drone inside, you can barely hear the exhaust from the inside, but if you step on the gas, there's a little bit of growl. I think these are it. I'm actually on the on-ramp right now. I'll try to stab out one more time. Last time you heard it with the windows up. I'm gonna roll the windows down. I'll just crack them so you guys can kind of hear. So So just a gradual get on the freeway. Yeah, man. You probably hear more wind noise than anything. But yeah, I'm loving them. I'm loving them. And they come in like an aluminum color and all black. I got the all black, obviously. Not the most exciting video. And, you know, I haven't really done too much to the Escalade. I probably won't do too much to the Escalade either, as it's just my commuter car. There's some rear suspension work that I'll probably end up doing at some point. My guy Ryan was speaking with me, and he says that the air shocks in the back are completely gone. Because this car is supposed to be self-leveling, so either I'll have to look into getting some more, replacing those shocks, or just replacing them with just regular shocks. I thought about putting some helper bags in the springs. Maybe doing that, who knows? But we'll see. That way, just putting like normal shocks, some helper bags in the springs, and just kind of using that for towing. That way I can kind of pump up the bags myself. So I don't know, who knows, we'll see. But we'll get to that point when I kind of start toying with this a little bit more. And, you know, I don't know how long I'm gonna have it. I like it because it's paid off. It was a good price. And, you know, it's a good upper into something else in the future. So we'll see. I really would like a nice truck, a truck that I could tow with, or a nice SUV that I could tow with or something. So that way, you know, if I want to tow something like my car with a decent sized trailer, and, you know, it basically pulls it like there's nothing behind me. I mean, that's what I want. Who knows? But for now, this does the job. Just got back from San Francisco and surprised my girl on a birthday trip. She had no idea. And man, when I was down there, I saw so many old schools, and I saw so many Chevelles, man. Like a ton of Chevelles out there. And I had always seen and heard that there's a lot of Chevelles. There's a huge Chevelle population or following out there. And shoot, man, they weren't lying. Because I'm a part of a couple Chevelle groups, and I always see a couple people post about their like cruises and things like that, and you can see like 20, 30, 40, 50 Chevelles just cruising the streets, man. It's insane over there in the Bay Area. But yeah, sure enough, when I was down there one night, I saw like 5, and then the next day I saw like 3 more. It was crazy, man. It's just like a short amount of time too. But I can't wait to get my Chevelle rolling. You guys stay tuned, man, because when I was on my trip, I was plotting something. And I just got to solidify a few things and just make sure I want to go ahead and do this, as it will be an upcoming project on both the Caprice and the Chevelle. So I got some things in the works. I got some things in mind. And if I go with it, it's going to be nice. So, but you guys stay tuned. More on that to come. And yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all of it, y'all. Do all of it. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, definitely think about subscribing, man, because I'm about to bring some heat. I'm about to bring some heat for you. All right, deuces, I'm out of here.